Rainbow Restoration is a joy to work with. They're a very professional operation, and the people that work here really make them stand out from other companies. My name is Ann Wilson, and I'm a commercial insurance advisor with Hub International. Rainbow Restoration is a fire, water, disaster restoration company, so if you have something bad happen to your business or your home, they swoop in and make it all better. So we enjoy working with Rainbow because the client can get a total solution. They can get the restoration work that they need and get put back together with renovation work, so it's really a total solution that makes it easy for the client. Working with Rainbow Restoration is really an enjoyable experience because the whole staff here is very professional and knowledgeable and very detail oriented, so it makes my job easy working with top class people like that. Rainbow Restoration is really heads above a lot of the competition in the area just because of the size and scope of the claims that they can handle. Definitely would recommend Rainbow Restoration to other businesses, just given their professionalism and the service that they provide to their clients and to our clients is really top class.